Hello, good morning everyone. I'm sorry I lost my voice in creepy. I'm suffering cough and asthma. So we're here from this game 4 of this 2024 FIDE World Championship Singapore, and also have a grandmaster from China, Ding Liran, 32 years old. Um, I'm sorry I forgot of his age here. So also have a grandmaster, 18 years old, India Gukesh. In this game 4, we have analyzed here of these chess games. So white plays Ding, knight f3, d5 Gukesh, e3, knight f6 is called threatening opening quiet system, b3, bishop f5, bishop e2, h6, and also bishop a3. So bishop a3 is no more found in this booklet. So here from this best moves of this booklet is D4 are in best moves in this booklet here. So we're back here from this one. So bishop a3 from use of this bishop from moving from this Ding Liren, and also knight b7 castle e6 bishop takes f8. What a nice moves from this Ding Liren from this bishop captured. And also knight takes f8 c4 knight 87 knight c3 castle c takes d5 e takes d5 and also b4 c6 knight d4. So knight d4 is attacking of this bishop and threatening bishop, and also backwards bishop h7 queen b3 knight e5 a4 rook c8. So rook c8 is a use from this seven trunk, and also used from this seven trunks in line here from these diagonals, and also a5 while pushing with this a6 from this attacking this pawn, and also b6 threatening pawns, knight f3 attacking knight, captured knight, bishop takes f3 d4. So d4 threatening knights and threatening e3 from this knight and pawn, and also knight e2 d takes e3 captures pawn, bishop e4 attacking bishop, rook fd1 attacking queens and threatening queens, and also queen e7, bishop takes e4, knight takes e4, e takes b6, captured pawn, and knight c3 attacking these knights and threatening knights, and rook fd8. Rook fd8 from rook to rook attacking this torre, and also knight takes e4, queen takes e4, h3, c5 attacking pawn, rook to rooks attack rooks, and also big takes c5 capture these pawns, rook c1 attacking these pawns and threatening from c5, and also queen e5 defense and protect this pawn, and also queen c2 triple against that attacking these pawns from this one. So queen c2 is attacking this queen takes c5 from use from queen, well, from attacking from queen takes c5, and also attacking this queen to queens here, and also rook d5 defense and this protect this one, and also g3 f5 king g2 king h7 queen c4 queen d6 e4 attacking this rook and use from pawns, and also rook e5 e takes f5 rook takes f5 queen e4 attacking these rooks, and also queen d5 queen to queen, and accept captures this queen, rook takes d5 and king f3 king g6 king e4 rook d4 check king e3 rook d5 king e4 rook d4 check king e3 rook d5 queen e4 rook d4 check. Is game 4, well, draw here from these games. So the score from this game 4 is 2-2. Oh my god. Same type on this points of this game 4. So next from this game 5 from Gukesh in Grandmasters India versus Grandmasters Ting Leiran in China. So I hope this enjoy this game from this understand. So thank you so much for this watching here. I'm Mark Luwagi 17 aka Icon Mark 17. So thank you so much here. Have a good day and stay safe.